Hello guys, welcome with another video. In this video we will fix your Facebook account status warning. So let's start without wasting any time. So first of all, open your Facebook app. After this, click on main profile and click on three dots. After this, click on account status. So click on restriction history. Here you can see my Facebook account was 2 times restricted. If you follow these steps, you will be open your account. So open your restrictions, first one or second one. If you have only one, then click on one restriction. Then here you can see my account was restricted for 2 days. So you need to click on review complete. So I have already done these steps, therefore I can't do now. I will guide you. So click on review complete. After this, Facebook needs your Gmail address or phone number. Give your phone number and Gmail address to Facebook. Then Facebook sent you a security code to your Gmail or phone number. So copy this security code and paste here in Facebook. So after this, click on continue. So by doing these steps, your Facebook account will be fine within minutes. So hope you like this video. Please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.